Hi everyone, Janie here. Welcome back to my garden. Happy New Year to all of you. It's actually New Year's Day today. My family and I, we stayed up late last night, of course, and had a really nice day inside. You can't tell right now, but it was actually raining all day today. All day today rain. And then this afternoon, it's about 4 o'clock. It finally started to clear up. And I thought I would come outside and walk around the garden, and it's so beautiful. It's such a nice, still, beautiful winter day. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I figured I would grab my phone and share it with you guys. Oh, you can't see it. Let's see. Oh, it's just so beautiful. I was afraid that I wasn't going to get a video done because it was raining all day. My family's inside and my office is completely out of power. I was using a space heater in my office last month, and I don't know what I did. I did something bad and the power went out. We thought it was just a fuse, like a blown fuse, but we had the electrician come out twice and they couldn't figure out what the problem was. And so they think that the wires were improperly installed, which kind of, it fits with our house, right? The way that our house is. It was definitely a DIY house for previous owners, and so we have to get the whole thing rewired. So they're coming tomorrow to rewire my office, which I'm really excited about because I am missing being able to work out there and film videos out there and all that kind of stuff. So it's just that kind of between Christmas and New Year's time. I guess it's past New Year's now, but it's just kind of between that time where things aren't totally back to normal yet, but almost there. Look at how absolutely beautiful it is right now. So it's a little past 4, so the sun is kind of almost down, but it's that, I don't know, it's that beautiful kind of twilight period in the garden, and everything is just looking really, really good, even for winter. So I thought I would take you through and show you guys some things. I feel like I haven't been in my garden, at least my front garden, for a while. And it's kind of fun for me just to come around and look and see how things are looking. We did get down to, I think it was 34 degrees. So it was like almost a frost. It was a mini frost. There was a little bit of frost on the roofs, but not too bad. I don't know if you would, it definitely wasn't a hard frost, and we didn't get a frost warning or anything like that, but it has gotten cold around here. But even with getting down to 34 degrees, you can see the heliotrope is still looking absolutely incredible. I am really, really happy with this plant this year. I had only planted this plant really in containers before. I hadn't given it a real chance in the landscape, and Proven Winners had said this is a really good landscape plant in particular, and they are definitely right. It's gorgeous. Not a ton of blooms on, but at least there's still some color. This is the remnants of the Supertunia Mini Vista Yellow, and this is Supertunia Bordeaux. I am leaving this stuff here because I just want to see what happens once it gets a little bit warmer and see if it kind of comes back. So many of you have messaged me and left comments and said to leave it because it's come back for you. So I am just kind of crossing my fingers because wouldn't that be so nice? But I wanted to show you over here, the Breath of Heaven is just looking amazing, especially right next to the Pugster Buddleia. It, like the foliage difference in colors, the Buddleia, which is like a dark green, the Helen von Stein Lamsier, which is kind of silvery, and then the bright chartreuse of the Breath of Heaven is just gorgeous. And yes, I know you can't technically count these plants as winter interest, but as you can see here in California, Zone 9B, it's definitely winter interest. This stuff is my winter interest, which is just so funny. I still would like more conifers and different things like that in my garden, but like, this is my winter interest. And it's just so fun. And I know a lot of you who live in the same climate as I do feel the same. I wanted to show you guys my berm over here. I'm really excited about this. This is where I'm going to plant a lime tree. And I can't decide whether to get a bare root lime or just to get a regular lime. I was actually thinking about getting one of those that they sell at Costco. If you guys know what I'm talking about, Costco sells at least my Costco. I don't know if this is a nationwide thing, but my Costco sells some really great fruit trees, and I'm tempted to just grab one of those, and I want to plant it in this berm right here to replace the old one that we lost this past year, which was kind of a bummer, but that's okay. Things happen. The black mondo grass is looking absolutely gorgeous. I went through a couple reiterations of what to plant in this spot right here, because it does, if you see like right through here, it does get some late hot afternoon sun, like maybe 2 hours of hot afternoon sun, but the rest of the day it's pretty shaded. So it's kind of hard to find a good plant. Plain the blue salvia is absolutely perfect for a spot like that where you get most like not a lot of sun all day and then boom, all of a sudden the hot afternoon sun. Plain the blue salvia is fantastic, and I guess mondo grass is pretty good for that because these guys are looking really good. But I've planted other things in this area and they have not handled the afternoon heat, but these are looking really good. I do have a ton of cleanup, a lot of cleanup that I need to do. Like, oh my gosh, look at my lambs here. Oh my gosh. But I'm going to wait until January, if not even February, to clean a lot of this stuff because I've really been enjoying all the foliage that we have. Look at this orange tree. I have got to come and fix this limb here. Oh man, I'm wondering if the arborist can take care of that tomorrow. So tomorrow, well, we'll see about the weather, but tomorrow the arborists are supposed to come and plant my second October Glory maple in my back garden. Really excited about that, and I'm wondering if I can just see if they can help me with this orange tree. We got this orange tree pruned by the same arborist this past year, and I think that this branch right here had it had some support that they pruned off, and so now it's kind of bending over, and I don't want to cut it off. I think I want to lash it up to the other branches. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm talking about, but it was up there in that space. Look at all those oranges. Isn't that crazy? And now it's kind of, with all the weight of the oranges, it's kind of leaning over. I don't think it broke. I think it's just bending. I think it's just bending over. Anyway, here's my pomegranate. Who remembers when I pruned the pomegranate? I think was it last year or the year before that I think it was the year before that I pruned this pomegranate. It's in need of another prune job, right? This thing is absolutely crazy. It just grows like a weed. It is absolutely insane. So I'm going to have to get in here with my electric pruners and prune that. All right, so let me bring you guys over here, looking around. I apologize about this video. There's kind of no point to it other than just kind of taking a stroll around the garden, which is kind of fun. Erin from Impatient Gardener, she does videos like these, and those are my favorite videos that she does. So I thought I would take a what do you say? Take a note from her book. What is that phrase I'm thinking of right now? I can't remember. You guys know what I'm talking about though. Anyway, so the espalier is looking absolutely beautiful. Look at that winter interest, right? That looks exactly like it does during the summer. I am just so happy with this. This looks so good. And my Clematis armandii is looking fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous. And then coming this way into my secret garden, it's looking really good as well. Oh, look at the begonias there. The star jasmine's starting to grow. Fountain's looking good. The fountain's working. I mean, the fountain's working. That means something, right? And then coming out back this way. So yesterday was the day that I went and got all those beautiful, beautiful plants from Roberta Walker's landscape design project. And we spent all day in the rain, working in the rain. I have to admit, I'm a little sore. I'm a little sore from all the work that we did yesterday, but I am really, really happy with it. I think it looks so great. I woke up this morning and I looked out at my new olive and, I'm just so happy with it. It just looks so amazing. Oh, and then back here, the cherry laurels that I planted behind the greenhouse for my little hedge, Roberta actually texted me this morning after she watched my video, And so in that video, I was talking about how this one right here doesn't really look similar to, like it kind of looks like a cherry laurel, right? Let me show you guys the leaves. There's the leaves of this one, and there's leaves of this one. So they look very similar, but this one has berries and this one doesn't. And Roberta said that she thinks that this one might be what's called, did she say a Japanese blueberry? I think is what she said. I think she called it a Japanese blueberry. She said that's a different type of screening plant. So I might have to replace this one with another cherry laurel that I go by, which is totally fine. I could put that one somewhere else. But yeah, I am just so happy with the screen. Let me go in my greenhouse and I'll show you guys. Here's a look at the olive tree. Isn't this amazing? Oh my goodness, like what a specimen, right? What a specimen. Let me go in the greenhouse and show you guys. Coming over here. And there you can see the green wall. So as it fills in, it's just gonna be a nice, beautiful green wall covering my ugly fence that needs to be covered desperately. Desperately. But I just think it's really pretty. I'm so happy to have it. And then as of tomorrow, if they come, hopefully they come, the arborists. Tomorrow's going to be a busy day, actually. The October Glory Maple, we have one right here that I planted last fall. Love it. Beautiful. And I want to plant one right over here so it kind of mimics on either side. I think that would be really great. So the arborist is coming tomorrow and the electricians are coming tomorrow to take care of my poor office. Oh, I haven't been in my office for almost a month now. It's been a really long time. And I am just wishing, it's like just as cold in here as it is outside. Some of my plants I've kind of given up on. Some of them I put in the window. Some of them I've taken inside. But this poor office, because I had just put the couch in, I had kind of hung up the pictures. I got it all nice and cozy. And then I lost power in here, which is just such a bummer. The sky right now is just absolutely stunning. We're supposed to have more rain tomorrow. Rain all weekend. It's supposed to be pretty much nonstop for the next couple days, which is, it's totally fine. We need rain. I totally get it. But it's nice to have a little bit of a break. We did have quite a big storm and all my shade sails came unattached. They're not broken. They just need to be reattached. So I need to do that. But you can see all of my new plants over here are looking good. My compost pile is chock full, which we kind of knew. I need more room than that for my compost pile. And then that's why I have over here, I have the hugel mound that we actually were able to cover with mulch, and it looks really good. And my plan is just to keep adding to this hugel mound because this is all going to pack down eventually. And, see this right here. This was all my green waste from this year, working in my garden and all that kind of stuff. We covered it with wood chips. It'll all break down and eventually I'll have a nice big beautiful berm right there. And then I'll have to find another place to put another hugel mound for more of my green waste because I go through so much green waste here in this garden. It's absolutely crazy. I'm sure you guys know. I'm sure you guys can relate, right? So anyway, I also wanted to come on here and I just wanted to thank all of you for your sweet, wonderful, wonderful comments in response to my 2025 recap video that I posted. I think it was Wednesday I posted it. That video was so much fun for me to edit. Basically, it was a video where I did a compilation of all the big projects that Jason and I had done in 2025, put it all together, and it was just so fun to see how much progress you can make in 1 year. And like I always say to all of you, get your phones out, get your cameras out, and take pictures of your garden, even at this time of year, because you'll be so surprised to look back and see what it looks like in January versus what it looks like in June and all that kind of stuff. But I just wanted to say a huge thank you to all of you and your sweet, sweet comments in response to that video. I had like tears in my eyes. I was so happy. So yes, this was kind of a short and sweet video, but I have to be honest, I'm happy I even got a video done because I did not know what I was going to do with all of the rain. And after spending all day yesterday working outside in the rain, my body needed a little bit of a break. So anyway, a very, very happy new year to all of you. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you all have a chance to get in your garden today.